In this video, I'll show you how to blend text into a background using Canva. Open Canva and create a new project. Start by adding a background. Go to the Elements tab and search for keywords like forest. Select your preferred image and click to add it to the page. Right-click the image and choose Set Image as background. Next, go to the Text tab, add a text box, and type your desired word. Change the text color to white and use a bold font like Anton. Adjust the text size to fit your design. Download the design. Add a new page to your project and drag the downloaded text image onto it. Position the text as needed. Download this updated version. Now add another page, upload the original background image and set it as the background again. Layer the downloaded text image on top. Go to the Apps section and search for Easy Reflections. Select the text image and click Create Reflection. Set the position to above. Adjust the offset to 70 and set opacity to 100. Click Add to Design. Resize and flip the reflection to align with your background. Try different fonts, colors, and backgrounds for creative variations. Thanks for watching.